another video. For today's, I'm going to discuss about this. I'm going to discuss you about this new. This is not new. This is called CD Card Drive. If you can download in the App Store or an app. If you can install in App Store, go in the Google and search CD Card Drive. Okay, you can really see in my caption, in the title of this video, I'm going to put the real name. Okay, because this is so cool. Yeah, it's really laggy, but the graphics of this is so cool. Ito the menu. All the cars is here is free. I promise. Let's go with the Ferrari. See guys, it's so cool.